Grid lines are the faint lines that appear around cells. They are used to distinguish cells on the worksheet. To hide the grid lines, select a worksheet. On the View tab, in the Show group, clear the Grid Lines checkbox. Grid lines are always applied to the entire worksheet or workbook, and can't be applied to specific cells or ranges. If you want to selectively apply lines around cells, you should use borders instead of grid lines. People often confuse borders and grid lines in Excel. Grid lines cannot be customized in the same way that borders can. To show the grid lines, on the View tab, select the Grid Lines checkbox. They do not print by default. If you want them to appear on the printed page, on the Page Layout tab, in the Page Setup, check Grid Lines box. If you apply a fill color to cells on your worksheet, you won't be able to see or print the cell grid lines for those cells. To see or print the grid lines for these cells, you must remove the fill color.